Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Career Guide Placement Solution. So today I have come up to discuss some of the hiring updates that are coming up from Cognizant as well as Wipro. So many of you guys already know that you guys have started getting the date of joining or the final onboarding mails from Wipro. So is it for the WILP candidate or the elite candidates? And regarding Cognizant also some hiring update is coming up from the team. So I will discuss every single detail, like what is the mail all about and what the team is saying about the onboarding and all. So don't skip the video, watch till end, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, if you are new to my channel, you can join the Telegram group. The link is in the description box. So let's start off with today's video. The first thing that I will discuss is about the Cognizant. So like Wipro, Infosys, Capgemini, Cognizant students are also waiting for their final onboarding or the date of joining mail. So this is the mail that is coming up recently from the Cognizant team. I don't know how many of you guys have got it, but many students have got as much as I know. So this is something from like Cognizant, like congrats on accepting the offer from Cognizant. You are receiving this email as you are only few steps away from being onboarded. Onboarding happens in a phased manner across location in India. You will be lined up for the onboarding during or before February 2023. So this is a big update coming up from the team, that is you will be onboarded before February 2023. Although you may interpret that the timeline between now and your onboarding date is substantial, yet we urged you to complete the pending pre-joining formalities, that is BJV docs and pre-joining forms via the onboarding portal. Completion of these pre-joining formalities play a crucial role towards a quicker and smoother onboarding. Looking forward to onboard you soon. Should you have any clarification, please follow the following steps to raise a query in C2C. So this was all about from the Cognizant team. So they are expecting you to get onboarded before 2023, that is February 2023. So for that you need to complete every details, every formalities from your end for your smooth and quicker onboarding process. So this was from Cognizant. The second update that is coming up is from Wipro. Like Wipro recently sending mails to some candidates. Like this is a mail today the candidate has got, and the onboarding is on 6th of October 2023. Okay, so greetings from Wipro. We are pleased to inform you that your joining is scheduled on 10th October 2023. In order for a successful joining, we would like to onboard you virtually on 6th October 2023 for completion of your joining formalities as per information mentioned. Okay, so here the joining is virtually on 6th October and final joining will be on 10th October. Please click on the below link for joining the onboarding virtually from your laptop desktop. Okay, so this is the mail. Here the virtual onboarding date is provided, time and the contact person like the of mentor and some kindly note provided. So this candidate, I will tell you guys, she is a WILP candidate and not a elite candidate. So this mail is for the WILP candidate. Wipro is sending onboarding or the virtual onboarding mail for the WILP candidate, and elite candidate still waiting for their onboarding mails because till now they have not yet started again sending the mails. Whatever the team is sending is all for the WILP candidates. So many of you guys had this doubt that either this is WILP or elite. If elite, then why you are not getting? So I just try to clarify this point that it's not a elite, it is for the WILP candidate. So if you are from WILP candidate of Wipro, then check your mails. Don't skip any mail. If once you miss any mail, then it is very hectic for you to get another mail from the team. So don't miss. And regarding Infosys also, it's not mentioned in today's video, but still I am telling you they have started sending the mails. So wait patiently, you will also get it. And so this was all about today's video from Cognizant and Wipro. If you have any further queries, you can definitely comment down below in this video. I will reply to all your comments, and join the Telegram group, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I will come up with such new updates every other day. Thank you for watching today's video. Bye.